Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the Venn diagram. What is the Venn diagram? Let's see. A closed figure used to represent a set is called a Venn diagram. We already studied what is a set, but now we have to represent this set in the figure. We can represent this set in any figure, in any closed figure. So first let example, let a equals to 1 2 3 4 5. This is the set. I can represent this set in a diagram, just like I draw a circle. This is your set A, and I write all these elements of set A in this circle. I can write at randomly, I can write anywhere. Just I take a point 1 2 3 4 5. So this diagram, this circle is called as a Venn diagram. There is no foundation which diagram we have to draw. You can draw either circle, either triangle, either rectangle, or any such figure. We can draw the triangle also. Just this is set A equals to 1 2 3 4 5. You either draw a rectangle also or square also. You set A 1 2 3 4 is 5, or also you draw any figure. This is also called as your Venn diagram. 1 2 3 4 5. But what is the main condition? Every figure should be the closed figure. But for the sake of simplicity, we always use our circle, because this is very easy and very draw to easy, and we can, for our calculation, for our representation of set, we always use a circle. Thank you. In this video, we are going to learn the subset of a set. Now, what is the subset of a set? Let's see the definition. If A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is subset of A. It means every element. Let's see the condition here. Every element of set B. It means every element of set B. Every element of set B is in the set A, is also an element of set A. Two sets are given. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ की B मधले जितकेही एलिमेंट आहेत तेच एलिमेंट A चे पण एलिमेंट आहे. It means every elements of B is also element of A, or otherwise I say that A have all elements of set B. Set A have all elements of set B. म्हणजे A मध्ये B चे सगळे एलिमेंट्स आहे आणि त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त पण एलिमेंट्स आहे. Symbolically आपण कसं लिहितो? B is a subset of A. How can we say that B is a subset of A? B is subset of A. Also I explain you what is a subset of A. So let us see example. Let's say set A equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I write some 10 elements of set A. Now I write some another set. Set B equals to 2 4 6. Now I compare these two sets, set A and set B. Set A have 10 elements and set B have 3 elements. Now I check whether every element of set B is also element of set A. It means I have to check that every element of set B is present in the set A. First element 2, this is your first element 2. Here also the set element. Next 4 is also present in set A. Next 6 is also present in set A. It means B is a subset of A. It means B is a part of set A. It's clearly I said that what is a subset? It's a part of that set A. It is a part of set A. It means B is also contained in set A. Hence I say that the B is a subset of A. Now by using Venn diagram, how can I show that? Let's see the Venn diagram. This is your set A. I represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are set A. Now also draw the set B also here. Here your set B. This is the subset. It means this set B is part of set A. What I do? I collect the some elements of set A and make another set. This B is a subset of set A. It means subset, it means it's a part of set A. Another, let's see another example. Next, second example also. Let Z equals to 7, 3, 1, 0, 2, 8. Now I see. Let's once again I check whether the all elements of set Z is in the set A. 7 is there, also 7 present is there. 3 is there. 0 in the set Z there is a 0, but there is a no 0 in the set A. So here the first condition is fail. There is a not all elements of set Z is present in set A. म्हणजे Z मधले सगळे एलिमेंट सेट A मध्ये नाही आहे. फक्त 0 सोडला तर बाकी सगळे एलिमेंट आहे, पण 0 हा सेट A मध्ये नसल्यामुळे Z ला A चा सबसेट म्हणता येणार नाही. तर आपण याला असं लिहू शकतो, J is not subset of set A. It means Z is not a subset of set A. तर याप्रमाणे आपण म्हणू शकतो की Z हा A चा सबसेट नाही आहे, कारण का याच्यातले सगळे एलिमेंट सेट A मध्ये प्रेझेंट नाही. आपण पुन्हा एक एक्झाम्पल पाहू. This is a set of whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now another set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. So what we say? Which one is subset of another? Here the set of natural number is subset of W. The N is a subset of W. How? Because all the elements of set A is present in set W, but W has a more than one element 0, so W is not subset of N. The N is subset of W. Let's see another example. A equals to A, B, C, D, E and so on, X, Y, Z. The set of alphabets of English language. A, B, C, D, E, F and up to all the set alphabets are present in set A. Now I take a set of vowels. A, E, I, O and U. The set of vowels in English alphabet. What do I say? This A is present also in A, E is also present in A, O, I also present in A, even though they are not showing here, but what is mean of this dot dot? They are in between this. O is also present and U also present. Hence V is subset of set A. V is a subset of set A. So this is the example. Now there is some condition. Every set is subset of itself. Every set is subset of itself. It means just I say that A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A is a subset of A because A have the all elements of itself. So A is a subset of A. Also empty set. I take some another example. See X equals to empty. This X has a no element, hence X is a empty set, but every empty set is a subset of every set. It means X is a subset of A also. Every empty set is subset of A. Now I take another example also. C equals to set of all Y such that Y belongs to N and Y less than 6. I write another set C equals to Y, set of all Y such that Y belongs to N and Y is less than C. It means what the element? Y is a natural number and less than 6. What is the natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we get here? A and C are both are equal set. A equals to C because A and C contain the same elements and same amount of elements. So A and C are equal element. What we say that A is a subset of C also and C is a subset of A, and it means every two equal set are subset of itself. Here C is a subset of A and A is a subset of C. I hope you like my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Navpratibha Study Forum. Thank you.